model, 65-plate Ford Ranger Limited 4x4 3.2 TDCI rate manual gearbox starts drives needs engine repair no VAT. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 71,146. MOT, the 2nd of February 2025. Engine, 3198 cc 3.2200 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Check engine light on the dash. We suspect it is down on compression on a cylinder, still starts and drives. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, full service history, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, alloy wheels, air con, tow bar. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,195 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,